My name is Robert Powell, and today I'd like to talk to you about the Academy of Excellence, a unique training and development program from Software of Excellence. We live in the changing world, particularly in dentistry, and we've got a new NHS contract coming up over the next couple of years that's going to bring some significant changes. We worked with quite a few of the pilot sites, and we can see that the department is trying to increase access but also cut costs, and they're going to do this through implementing the NICE guidelines, which is going to have the effect of extending patient recalls from 6 to 9 to 12 to 18 and even 24 months. Patients are also extending their recalls, and they're not coming back as often as they used to, particularly in a recession. As a consequence, there's lots of white space in diaries, and we believe that's going to lead to increased competition for new patients, which is going to affect both NHS and private practice. You need to get prepared for these changes now. We do know that, having worked with over 400 Thrive practices and have analysed the data from over 1,000 practices over the last 3 years, that the optimum use of Exact really does drive business outcomes. If your staff know and can apply best practice guidelines, you certainly will get more patients in through the practice, more patients into the chair for treatment, and more revenue. We know well-trained, motivated staff make optimal use of Exact. But unfortunately, practices have made very little investment in staff training in the last 20 years, and over that time we've had 9 version releases of the product. We've got practices out there who've used the software for 5, 10 and even 20 years who had very little training. Staff members have perhaps been trained by other staff who were trained originally by staff that have long since left. Cost has been an issue, but it's not really the price that's the problem, it's the surgery downtime it causes, with staff having to take out time from a valuable working day. So, with the Academy of Excellence, our aim is really to deliver a certified training program that really adds value to the whole dental practice, to both the owner and the staff. A sort of Microsoft certified type qualification for dental industry. The principals, practice owners, will get the assurance that the time and money they invest in their staff is money well spent. Staff are well trained and motivated and will have the necessary skills to really perform well. More importantly, the whole team can help turn good practice into great businesses by driving outcomes. So how does it work? Well, staff progress by means of belts, similar to those used in martial arts. Each belt signifies a high level of expertise within Exact, and the belts are awarded following formal assessment. The white belt covers initial foundation learning, with staff being assessed and certified before progressing onto a higher yellow belt level. This is all about implementing best practice guidelines and improving practice efficiency. The program then shifts a gear with the red and black belts, integrating with the Thrive business services, and focuses on increasing business performance for the practice. The role-based belts, white and yellow, are differentiated by the typical roles you find within a practice. So there's admin, clinical and management streams. These can be taken as online modules, at times to suit you, and at minimal cost. There are still classroom options or on-site options available, and all of them, importantly, come with assessment and certification. So as the team progress, the assessment shifts from a role-based learning to practice performance, with certification based on actual business outcomes measured by an increase in practice income. Ultimately, the Academy of Excellence will help you run a total practice management system with well-trained, focused and motivated staff, with sufficient expertise to really analyse, predict and drive successful outcomes for the business. So, to enrol with the Academy or to find out more, take a look at our website on softwareofexcellence.com/UK/academy or call the office on 0845 345 5767, where the team will be able to help you. Importantly, get on the Academy path now or get left behind, because excellence is a journey, not a destination. Thank you.